What's up, everybody? This is going to be part 2 of the Grizzly video. I just got my carburetor in the mail. I had to order a new one off of Amazon, of course. It's another junk carburetor, so. But anyways, my wife and I cleaned this thing up the best we could. I didn't film any of it, but I mean, we got some sick tape for the seat, so that'll be a nice comfy ride. And I just cleaned it up a little bit better. So let's go check out the new carburetor. Alright, so I got my boat workbench. Here's the new carburetor. It looks identical, like another piece of crap. I mean, as long as it works, I really don't care. I just want to ride the thing. Also, the kit, it showed that it came with like the boot for the front. And it didn't. It just came with the airbox boot, which is kind of annoying. But it's not a big deal. Oh, actually, you know what? No, they just, never mind. They put it inside. Okay. It did come with both sides. But it didn't come with the hardware to put it on, like the band, which is kind of annoying because the one I have is a piece of crap. But yeah, let's get this thing put together. It did come with a little fuel filter. That's kind of nice. Alright. Let's see if I can get this is all I have left, the choke cable, so I do need to order a new one, but for now, let's see if I can get this thing on here. Yeah, this thing is just so cheap. I mean, you know, what do you expect for the price? But it's just so cheaply made. But I mean, to give you an idea of what an OEM carb costs, I found a couple used ones on eBay, and they were like $500-600. And then I checked, where did I check? Dennis Kirk or parts something, I forgot, but it was like $1,300 to get a new one. I'm like, a new OEM one. Alright, it looks like it comes with some extra jets. So there, it looks like it comes with some extra jets, so I'm just gonna open it up, make sure there's actually jets inside of it. You know what? Alright, like a bozo, I completely did not hit record. So anyways, here's the old carburetor. Absolutely just junked. And here's the new carburetor. Also just a absolute unit. It's straight from China, just like this piece of crap. That's why it's all rusted. Yeah, alright. So basically I put the throttle cable on, which that's broken. I put the choke cable that I have what's left of it, because that was broken also. So I got to order those too, but this is just for temporary so I can try it out. But it came with a couple of extra jets. And I mean, it was nice that they labeled the jets at least, but I'm like, okay, I better just take the bowl apart just to make sure there is a jet in there. And there is one in there already. But it's already like got rusty components inside there. So yeah, even though this is cheap, I really wouldn't recommend these. But for now, it'll be okay. I'd like to find an OEM carburetor for it in the future, even if I have to rebuild it, but find one off Facebook cheap enough. But anyways, I'm going to get this put in, and I mean, we'll see if it runs, I guess. Okay, I got my battery in, my never start, and I got the new carburetor on. I didn't hook up the throttle cable yet, because I just want to make sure it runs. Oh, and I also got to get my key, but anyways, let's flip the fuel on and see what happens. I'm guessing it's just going to start pouring out of here because it's a piece of crap. I mean, so far so good, so let me go get my key and let's crank it, see what it does. Also, I was able to get this winch working, which is really cool. This thing actually, it's a wireless remote. It works pretty far away. So yeah, let's try this thing out. I'm gonna give it a second. Let the fuel make its way down in the bowl. We're not in neutral. Now we are. All right, let's see what happens. Oh baby. Well, it is already dripping fuel out, as I figured. Oh yeah, throttle cable's not hooked up. Not bad, considering the Chinese special. Let's give it some throttle. If I can. Oh, yeah, good. It's running like shit already. Alright. Okay. I got the China carb on. Yeah, it's definitely not tuned right. Or maybe it needs a different size jet. I looked it up, and it calls for a 115. I'm not sure what's in there, but I know the spares that it came with is a 150 and I think a 130. So, I mean, it's backfiring a little, but it's running. So that's really all I care about. I just took it on a quick little test ride. But, yeah, let's start it up, listen to it. And it starts up pretty good. I can't complain about that. I'm going to take it up to my pond and see if we can get stuck, I guess. Oh yeah, it needs to idle down a little bit. Let's put it in 4-wheel drive. I mean, the brakes work, so that's good. Okay, yeah, see, it doesn't want to shift. I think it's just the RPMs are too high. There we go. I hope it's just the RPM, I don't know. It's not bad though. You can hear on the low end it wants to die. So I'm guessing that's just, it could be the air mixture ratio also, but I'm guessing it's a jet. Oh, okay, well, I also had the fuel off, so that doesn't help. Alright, that should be a little better. Damn, it does not ride very nice, I'll put it that way. I mean, you can't expect much with an old machine. Especially for $400, I'm pretty happy. Alright, let's see if we can make it through the pond or if we're gonna sink it. I think what I might do is try to back in from there, because the winch works, so if I get stuck I can hook the winch to the tree. I'll just slowly back it in and see what happens, because I'm not even sure how deep it is. It's pretty low right now, so it shouldn't be bad. But let me set the camera up. I got my Crocs on too, so I don't have to worry about getting all wet. Alright, let me set this thing up. Okay, now it doesn't want to shift. This might not have been a good idea. Alright, I just had to use the foot brake.
Peanut butter and jam!
What the fuck are you doing, Phil?
Alright, I think that's enough going in the water. If I break this thing before my son gets to ride it, he is not going to be happy. But, I mean, all in all, not bad for 400 bucks. Got the old China carb on there. I'm going to go rip this thing around a little more, and I guess that's it for this video. There's a few things I'm going to do in the next few videos to it, but I call that a win. Oh, I thought that was stronger than it was. Alright, well that was a pretty weak test, but anyways, you see it works.